All right, looking to do a full system swap. We step back here. Also potentially with a new 40-gallon water heater. Unit down in the basement stairs, you can see right back over there. It's not a walkout. This unit's currently C-width 34-inch with no base. There's 30, let me double check my measurements here. 37 inches height from here to the supply plenum. It's a 2-pipe PVC. It's cut right into the foundation there going outside. Gas lines need to be adjusted for both water heater and furnace. 6-inch clean out T, 3-inch on the water heater. Returns a 7 by 24, widens to a 7 by 25 here. This is 9¼ inches wide. We've only got 9¼ inches up here, so I'll be looking to do an 8 by 25, 74 inches down. Then with a filler piece, which this will go from a C width to a B width. This will probably be like an S8X2 B60, BO60. So that'll get a little skinnier. So with the 1210, we'll need a filler piece there. You walk around the back side here. Humidifier, they're wanting to remount. We can move that potentially over to the supply side. Got a bed here that'll need to be pushed out of the way. Drain, it's a floor drain. It's running all the way over. There's a floor drain sitting behind that cabinet right over there. And then the electrical outlet, which we redid. It's a double pole 20 that it's sitting on. Line sets for the unit. Those will need to be flushed. Those are going out overhead. Those can be reused.